Morning, everybody. This is Miss Nancy from the Clearview Library District, and I'm here to do story time and a craft with you. Let's get started and let's have some fun. So the first thing we do when we start our story time is we do a hello song. And my hello song today has lots and lots of sign language. So I'm going to teach you the signs first, and then we'll sing and put the signs with it. Okay? So the first sign we need to learn is more. And this is more. Just put your hands together like this. And then to gather, make fists, put your thumbs up, and go in a little circle like this. Okay? Happier is like this. Okay? Yours and mine. Try that again. Your, mine. And then the last one is friends. Put up two little friends and have them give each other a hug. Okay? Are you ready to try it? Okay, let's go. The more we get together, 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 the more we get together, the happier we'll be. 'Cause your friends are my friends and my friends are your friends. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. Very good, guys. Thanks for doing it with me. So today our story time is about winter, and we're going to read a book, and then we're going to make a craft. And this is what our craft is today. It's a little hard to get it all on there, but that's what it's going to be. And it's something that you can play with when you want to dance and sing. Okay? Our book today is called It's Winter, and it's written by Linda Glaser. Okay? It's winter. Does it look like winter in the picture? Does it look like it looks outside a little bit? I chase and zigzag here and there, catching snowflakes in the air. They land on my face and in my hair. I stick out my tongue and catch one. Yum! Flakes and flakes and flakes float around, down, down. Some melt, some stick when they touch the ground. I can hardly wait to wake up and see how deep the snow will finally be. How deep do you think the snow will be in the morning? I don't know. We're all bundled up in warm snowsuits and scarves and hats and mittens and boots. The snow's so bright I have to squint. Each step we take, we sink, 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 making deep footprints in the snow. It's winter. We make snow angels. You know how to do that, don't you? And we build a snowman and a snow lady. They sparkle brightly in the sun. I don't even feel cold. I'm having too much fun. Bare tree branches reach up high, stretching brown tree patterns in the sky. There's a tap, tap, tap. I look up and I see a woodpecker pecking on a tree. Can you see him in there? Yeah. My breath comes out in small white puffs. I trudge in my snow boots going squeak, crunch, crunch. The air's so cold it freezes the hair inside my nose. Brrr. One day I get a letter from my grandma and grandpa who live down south in Florida. They say it's hot and sunny. Oh, that seems strange and funny. Our winters are so different. It's hard to believe. But see, here's a photo of them sunning on the beach. Meanwhile, here up north, in caves where I can't see, little brown bats are hibernating. They don't eat or move. They scarcely breathe. They all huddle together and sleep, sleep, sleep. Inside this hollow tree, there's a honeybee hive. Look at that. The honeybees hardly seem alive, but they're staying warm by crowding together, all taking turns huddled in the center. Do you guys know what the word hibernate means? Does anybody have a guess? Yes, it means that you sleep all winter. Do we hibernate? No, we don't. It's winter. Way down under my feet, turtle snakes and earthworms are fast asleep. Groundhogs are also curled up in sleep. Their hearts go so slowly, they hardly beat. Thump, thump, thump. Chipmunks sleep underground in piles of nuts and seeds. Sometimes they wake up and they take a quick snack and then they go back to sleep. We skate around on the frozen pond, and way under the ice, down in the soft mud, dragonfly nymphs are fast asleep, and so are hibernating frogs. Look at that frog. Isn't that cool? It's winter, but even here up north, not all the animals are asleep. Deer come to eat the tender twigs and the bark of trees. Gray squirrels leap from branch to branch and tree to tree. Whee! Every day I scatter bird seed. Then lots of birds swoop down to eat. We get sparrows and cardinals and blue jays and chickadees. They eat and cheep, cheep, cheep. The sun sets early. The day seems so short. Even before dinner, it's already dark. We search the night sky for winter constellations. Look up there, I see Orion. The moon glows with a soft, creamy light. And oh, there's a halo around the moon tonight. I spot a snowshoe hare just sitting there. Its white coat blends in with the snow, but soon in the spring, its fur will turn brown to blend with the ground. Do you know what that's called? It's called camouflaging, yes. When your colors blend into nature. One day we notice that some snow is melting. The sun feels stronger. The ground is getting warmer. Soon, very soon, spring will be here. But right now, it's winter. We slide down smooth and slippery hills. Whee! Watch us go. Oh, I hope we get another snow. It's winter. It's winter. Whoopee! Now, if you decide to come to the library and get takeout, you can check this book out. It's winter. And in the very back, it has some activities that you can do in nature that you might enjoy doing. So come check it out, okay? Okay. Now, I want you to pick up the little white snowflake that was in your kit, okay? And we're going to do this song with just the snowflake. But after you get your craft done today, you can do this song with your craft, okay? Okay. Dance like snowflakes, dance like snowflakes, in the air, whirling, twirling snowflakes, whirling, twirling snowflakes, here and there, here and there. Okay, let's do it one more time. Okay, that repetition is good for us to remember things. Dance like snowflakes, dance like snowflakes in the air, in the air. Whirling, twirling snowflakes, whirling, twirling snowflakes, here and there, here and there. Okay, can put that down now. Okay? Okay, now we're going to do our goodbye song, but we're really not saying goodbye because we're going to do a craft together. But it's the end of our story time, so let's sing this together, okay? Wave high, wave low. I think it's time, we've got to go. Wave your elbows, wave your toes, wave your tongue, blah, and wave your nose. Wave your knees, wave your lips, boom, 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 boom. Blow a kiss with fingertips. Wave your ears, wave your hair, wave your belly and derriere. Wave your chin, wave your eye, wave your hand, and say goodbye. Goodbye. Okay, we're going to do our craft now. I'll show you how to do that. To do your craft, you are going to need to have 3 ribbons. Those are in your kit. And I have my bag from the kit on the table so I don't get glue on the table because that would be bad. Okay, you should have 6 of these little snowflakes and 1 big one that we played with a minute ago, and 1 bell, and 1, whoa, big tongue depressor. Now, to do this craft, you will need some glue. And I like tacky glue because it glues really well and it dries pretty fast. Okay, now I'm going to set my computer, so give me just a second here to get everything ready. Okay, so here are all the parts of your craft. Okay, now I like to lay all 3 of my ribbons down and figure out how I want to arrange my little snowflakes. Now, adults in the house, let your kids take the lead on this because there's no perfect way for this to look. We want it to be theirs and for them to have a good time. So you could glue a snowflake on either side of the end of one ribbon like that, which looks good. Or you could decide to arrange your snowflakes in different places like that. So it's up to you how you want to glue them on. Okay, but let's go ahead and glue. I'm going to choose to put mine gluing between 2 snowflakes like that. Okay, so you're going to put glue, whoops, got to get the glue. Put some glue here, and then put your snowflake on, and then turn it over and put glue on, and glue the other snowflake. Now squeeze them together a little bit. There you go, and then set them down to dry, okay? Now, don't skimp on the glue. Use plenty. That's why we have the paper down to catch the extra glue, because it will stay together better if you use lots of glue. Okay, so let's glue our last one. A little bit of glue, a snowflake, pick it up, put some more glue, and a snowflake. Squeeze them together, and then lay them down. Okay, now we're going to let those dry for a while, so don't get too tempted to play with it right away, because if you don't let the glue dry, it will fall apart. Okay, now grab your little bell and grab the other end of the skinniest, the skinniest ribbon, and thread it through the bell on the very back. Now it's okay if you ask the adults in your house to help you a little with that, okay? Come down about that far, and then tie a little knot, okay? Okay, see how far down I am? That works just perfectly. Okay? Okay. Now we're going to set it all down. I'm going to move these guys over because now we're going to work on the other side. Move that. And see, we have 3 ribbons on this side that do not have snowflakes on them, right? So we're going to get our tongue depressor. We're going to put some glue on it. This is where we really have to use a bunch of glue. So some glue there. Put one of our ribbons on. Press it down. Okay? Put some more glue on. And take another ribbon. Doesn't matter which one. Put it on. And press it down. Got a little extra glue, and that's okay. Okay? One more. Okay. Which ribbon have we not used? There it is. Okay, we're going to put it on there. Okay, and I'm going to push them all down, make sure they're all staying. Now they're not dry yet, so I still have to be super careful, okay? And I'm going to put some more glue on. I'm going to put it there and a little farther down. And then what do you think I'm going to put on that glue? Yes, our big snowflake. Okay? So I'm going to glue that on, and I'm going to pinch it and push it together. It still leaves enough room for my hand, okay? And then what am I going to do now? You're right. I'm going to set it down, and I'm going to let it dry. But this is what your finished snowflake twirler will look like. There will be snowflakes on the ribbons. There will be a bell on the back side, and you'll have your snowflake. So if you wanted to do your song about dancing snowflakes now, you could use this to make dancing snowflakes. Okay? Remember that if you don't remember the words to this song, that you can go back and get onto our YouTube channel and you can watch it again so that you can remember those words so that you can sing and dance with your craft. Okay? Thank you, everybody. I will see you in a week, and I hope you have a wonderful time. Thank you. Bye-bye. Goodbye.